How to fix hosting your affiliate program rejected. Let's get started. First, check the exact rejection reason. Hostinger usually tells you what went wrong, maybe low traffic, poor content, or an incomplete profile. Next, upgrade your website. Make sure it looks clean, loads fast, and is mobile friendly and has content related to web hosting, blogging, or tech. Work on traffic. Hostinger wants affiliates who can bring in consistent visitors. Use SEO, write helpful blog posts, or promote via YouTube and social media. Now reapply. In your message, mention the improvements you made. Be clear about how your content can generate sales for Hostinger. Still unsure? Reach out to Hostinger support. Ask for detailed feedback so you know exactly what to improve before reapplying again. That's it. Follow these tips and your next application could be a success. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.